Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this brief sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how I add a zipper stopper to an open-ended zipper. So this zipper right here has the metal stopper already there. So when you pull the zipper pull, it doesn't fall out or pull apart. But this one right here didn't have one because I cut the zipper short and I had to create my own. So here's how I do this. It's really super easy. I'm using button thread, but you don't need button thread. You could use regular sewing thread, and I've double thread and double knotted my needle. Now, if you don't know how to do that, there's a link right up here on how to double thread and double knot your needle. So what I do is I start sewing from the back, so I leave the knot, my double knot in the back of the zipper so you don't see it, and I just make a simple stitch right across from front to back. I'm going slow here just for the sewing tutorial so you can see it. So since I'm using button thread, I only needed to do like 2 or 3 stitches, but I'm going to add more just because. After a few stitches, I like to just test it to make sure it's perfect and it works. And then I close it off on the back. Well, of course, I'm going to add one more stitch because I just like to do it for good measure. So on the back, I'm going to do an end off stitch. I'm just going to put my needle right under that stitch I've created. And as I pull, before I close the loop, I put the needle through the loop. And I like to double that, so I do it once more, pull, and I trim, and my zipper stopper's complete. My zipper's already short, but if you have a longer zipper, you just use shears that you don't use for your fabrics to trim off the rest of your zipper. If you found this sewing tutorial helpful and would like to watch my other DIY videos, go ahead and click on the videos right there on the screen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.